I need to get the brush out of the trunk. Oh my god.
There's my ass warmer.
Okay, I need that open. Oh god. Oh. Gosh. Oh, we're good at. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Angel, close your window. We're getting snow in the car. Let's pull that off there a little bit. I was singing.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Okay, let's go get McDonald's.
When I was stepping in that pile of snow over there, the snow went up to here. To me?
I'm scared. I'm scared. We have 1 minute until we have to get lunch. Run!
Hey, Mom.
Did you pay for it already? No, it won't let me because we're not.
Super snowy out today.
You got your seatbelts on.
I do.
Chloe's on.
I can barely even see out my window.
Are we going tubing today? Are you going tubing with us?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
What's wet?
Rippity crippy.
This way. Yesterday when I was outside the bed, Jacob's
How comes Tristan's not back in college yet?
Because he goes back next weekend.
Next week?
We'll just come in.
Mine. Mine. She's so unskibbity. Guys, she's getting a cramp from a seat belt. Putting it on. Chloe, hi.
Shouldn't have waited till. I kind of missed out on it. There's in front of us. What is doing that? I see a flashing light. I don't know.
Here's the mail,
It's you
man.
guys. It's you guys. Jeez, man. That was true.
Let's turn that way. I'll go to my friend's
Don't
house.
you wish you had a van?
No, Jacob.
I'm not going to talk about that. You guys do.
He's very nice.
Yeah, what's the name? What's the name?
Cool Sanders.
Oh, this is it. Oh, it's the Amish guy. You go Amish guy.
Look how big those snow piles are.
Massive.
Yeah, that wall. Gee, how did they not hit the house? I don't even know what we would do.
Weather was outside.
Oh, just left it out there.
Yeah, it's JP's fault.
You know the deck that used to be there? Yeah.
Yeah.
But we would, there would be like a little step that you'd have to get up. So we'd had, oh man.
I think you're eating from a different
Honey,
bag.
wanna take it? Who are these?
We were
Where's my
eating
tea?
from that bag, I remember.
Hey, Beauty, get. There you go. There you go.
I don't know who disabled one is this one.
That one's mine.
Okay, I thought this said disabled.
Look how beautiful that looks.
Does that say disabled sauce?
The disabled sauce? Did you say disabled sauce?
Yeah.
You should take off your coat.
Disabled sauce? Really?
Disabled sauce.
Ketchup. Candies.
I feel like that's something.
And he got to mine and he was like, oh shit, I don't have enough.
No.
So he just.
You know what happened is we ate them in the car.
No, we didn't. No, we
All
didn't.
these ones were
Listen,
full.
No.
Every one of them were full, babe.
No, I'm telling you, we didn't eat that
You
many
switched the
fries.
bags around
No,
and you just
I
understood.
I even looked at this and I was like, huh, this isn't mine, it's a medium. I'm telling you right now. I didn't even open up the other bag.
They were
until
really
we
good
got
on
to
the way
house.
home.
You only ate like 3.
I ate a lot of them. I won't lie to
Well,
you.
I'm telling you, it wasn't this one. It was definitely, most certainly not this one.
Go, Angel, go. You don't speak Spanish.
You didn't know this. Ow! What? Take him on. Oh, dating. How? Wait, Mom, record me.
I'm recording now. Hang on.
I want to bigger to go. I think that's too big. Are you ready for me? Ready for me, Mom? Mom, think of a number 1 to 10.
Oh my God, what happened?
Football on a sled. Alright, 1 through 10, pick a number.
7.
7? Okay, I'll try. Yeah, you know.
3.
The 3?
I picked 3.
Come on, yeah.
There you go. Because I knew what you were doing. I didn't want you to go. 7's too many.
7? Okay, I'll do 7. Let me do it this way. Why? This is fun already. Here comes
Here comes Santa Claus. Are you gonna go down the sled?
on a sled, bro, what? Moo, I'm gonna hurt you guys then. Can you go this way for me? Yeah. How many? 5? I've met you can. Moo, Sissy. Or McDonald today. And cover your face so it doesn't.
They're rolling down.
I want to try this. This looks fun.
I don't know if it is or not. I don't know if you're supposed to stand on it. I don't know. Okay, go twist and go. Go twist and go. Watch that blue thing doesn't blow away.
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, he's got it.
Daddy. I want to try.
You did good though. Go Chloe! Go Chloe! Dun 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 dun. Oh no! Go, Angel! Oh shit! You got my buggy. Woo! Face is freezing. Me too. Oh God. Chloe! Hello! I see you. Bro.
I'm just gonna try it. I don't have to. That's your vibe.
Here, Chloe, do you want to sled?
Do I have to have a sled if you can be the sled?
I can't be a sled.
Yeah, you can. I'll tell you.
I can't be a sled. Oh, wow, that was a good one.
What happened to you, bro? Hold me down here, bro.
I'm freezing. My face is freezing.
It's cold.
This is not good snowman snow.
It's so good.
It's not sticky enough, is it? No.
No. I can barely even make a snow.
Yeah.
I just packed it as hard as I can, and then
If you get like a warm day, like, and it gets nice and warm, then it gets all nice and sticky and stuff. Do you want me to video you coming down the hill? I'll video from right here.
be careful that you don't get plowed.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably be up on my feet so I don't get smashed. Cause I could see you probably plowing into me.
I'll sit right.
Just, you can stand in front of me so then if he comes for me, then he hits you instead, okay? Oh man, my face is cold. Okay. It won't move. Jump. Don't smash. Oh, get out of the way. Oh my God. This is the best snow to go skiing and snowboarding right now. No, we should go to Seven Springs. There should be. Oh.